Okay, class 8. Today we start direct and inverse variation. Exercise 8.1. So first question of today is exercise 8.1 direct variation. In next exercise we done indirect inverse variation. Okay. So the first question is, you see the first question, the variables x varies directly with 5y and x equals to 15 when y equals to 75. Find the value of y when x equals to 7. There is clearly mentioned that variable x varies directly with 5y. That means box is like this way. Here is x, here is 5y. Okay, it's directly variable. X is 15 given and y is 75 given. So when x is 7, then find the value of variable 5y. Clear? Again I repeat, x varies directly with 5y. X equals to 15 when y equals to 75. Find the value of y when x is 7. So here is x variable with 5y, that means 15 by 75, that means 1 by 5. The relation between x and y is 1 by 5. So we write down 1 by 5, a value of given, because this is variable, x 5y variable, 15 by 17 variable, and 7, and this one is variable. So 7 in place of y we write down y. Clear? So this y getting into y 1 y and 5 into getting 7, that is 35. So the value of y is 35. Clear? Direct variation we always write in the numerator and denominator form. This is numerator, this is denominator, this is numerator, this is denominator. When we solve this one, we get the value what? 1 by 5. That means relation between x and y is always 1 upon 5. Okay, so there is 1 upon 5 equals to 7 into y. So y is 35. And again you check it out, 7 by 35. That means relation between them also is 1 upon 5. Clear? Note. Okay, question number 3. The speed of two trains are in the ratio of 3:5. If the speed of first train is 15 km/h, then what is the speed of second train? Okay, the speed of the two train are in the ratio 3:5. If the speed of the first train is 15, what is the speed of the second train? First of all, let speed of second train be x km/h. Ratio given, what ratio given? Speed of first train by speed of second train equals to what? 3 upon 5 given is here. So speed of first train in question given 15 and speed of second train we let x. So 15 upon x equals to 3 upon 5. When you multiply, that is 15 into 5 equals to 3 into x. Therefore x equals to 15 into 5 by 3, that is 25 km/h. Clear? Note. Okay, it's time for question number 5. Length of two ribbons are in the ratio of 4:7. If the bigger ribbon is 52.5 centimeter long, then what is length of other ribbon? Okay, so let length of other ribbon, either you write or write smaller ribbon. Okay, let length of smaller ribbon be x. Okay, so given here is what? Length of the two ribbon are in the ratio 4:7. That means 4 is smaller and 7 is bigger one. Okay, so length of smaller ribbon by length of bigger ribbon equals to 4/7. So smaller ribbon we take x and bigger is given 52.5 equals to 4 into 7. Okay, so therefore x equals to 52.5 into 4 divided by 7. Clear? This is getting multiplied this way. Okay, 7 7 is 49.3, 7 5 is 35. It's 7.5 into 4. It's 1530. So the length of the ribbon is 30 centimeter. Okay, note. Question number 6. See, xy 345, x1 60, 9 y1. Find the value of x1 and y1. We know that very well. This is clearly mentioned direct variation. Okay, so 3 by 45 is same equals to x1 by 60. Clear na? And 3 by 45 again same equals to 9 by y, because there is direct relation between x and y, and this one is also x, this one is y. So x and y is equals to this one, x and y is equals to this one. That means everything is equals to each one. Okay, so 3 into 60 by 45 equals to x1. Again here is same, 3 into y1 equals to 9 into 45. This is getting multiplied here, this is getting cross multiplied. So y1 equals to 9 into 45 by 3. That means 3 into 45, it's 135. And here is 15 4s are 15 3s are 3 cancel. So x1 equals to 4 15 3s are okay, x1 equals to 4. Note it down. Question number 7. If x varies directly with 3y plus 5 and y equals to 5 by 3 when x equals to 10, then what is the value of y when x equals to 36? Same question as question number 1. Okay, x varies directly with 3y by 5. That means whenever you draw this one, relation of x with 3y plus 5, that first one, when x equals to 10, y equals to 5/3. Clear? So at that time, okay, question number 7. if x varies directly with 3y plus 5 and y equals to 5 upon 3, when x equals to 10, then what is the value of y when x equals to 36? X and 3y 5y is what? Varies directly. Okay, so find the value of y when x equals to 36. So clearly, given that x equals to, relations is x equals to 3y plus 5, both are directly related. Okay, so value of x is 36 and here is 3y plus 5. So the what is the value of y? 36 minus 5 equals to 3y. So here is 31 equals to 3y, therefore y equals to 31 by 3. Note.